Did you know that more than 90% of car accidents are caused by human error? Having the right gadgets can really help keep you safe on the road. Planning a road trip can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to thinking about safety. You want to make sure you're prepared for any situation that might arise, but it's hard to know where to start. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll be discussing the essential gadgets you need to ensure a safe and convenient road trip in 2024. From GPS devices to tire pressure monitors, we'll cover the must-have gadgets that'll give you peace of mind on the road. We'll dive into their features, benefits, and even share some personal anecdotes about how certain gadgets have made a difference in our own road trips. So, buckle up and let's get started. Whether you're a seasoned road tripper or embarking on your first adventure, this video is perfect for anyone looking to stay safe on the road. Technology has revolutionized the way we travel, and road safety gadgets are no exception. In the past, we relied on paper maps and guesswork to navigate unfamiliar roads. But today, we have access to a wide range of innovative gadgets that can detect potential hazards, provide real-time updates, and even alert us to potential dangers. The evolution of road safety gadgets has been remarkable, with new products emerging every year that promise to make our journeys safer and more convenient. From dash cams to blind spot detectors, the options are endless. But with so many gadgets on the market, it can be hard to know which ones are worth investing in. That's why we've put together this video, to cut through the noise and give you the lowdown on the essential gadgets you need for a safe road trip in 2024. So, let's take a look at the gadgets we'll be covering in this video. First up, we have GPS devices. These handy gadgets have been around for a while, but they've come a long way in recent years. With real-time traffic updates, voice commands, and even augmented reality displays, GPS devices are more advanced than ever before. Next, we have tire pressure monitors. These tiny devices can detect even the slightest changes in your tire pressure, alerting you to potential dangers before they become a major issue. We'll also be discussing dash cams, which have become increasingly popular in recent years. These small cameras mount to your windshield, providing a clear video record of any incidents that may occur on the road. Another essential gadget is a blind spot detector. These devices use sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spot, alerting you to potential dangers with a visual or auditory warning. Lane departure warning systems are another must-have gadget for any road tripper. These systems use cameras and sensors to detect when you're drifting out of your lane, alerting you with a warning beep or vibration. We'll also be covering portable Wi-Fi hotspots, which are perfect for staying connected on the go. And finally, we'll be discussing emergency kits, which include essential items like jumper cables, flashlights, and first aid supplies. So, let's dive into a more detailed review of each gadget, discussing their pros and cons, and how they contribute to a safer road trip experience. GPS devices are essential for any road trip, providing turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic updates. But some GPS devices are better than others. We'll be discussing the features that set our top picks apart from the rest. Tire pressure monitors are another vital gadget for any road tripper. But what makes a good tire pressure monitor? We'll be discussing the key features to look for, including accuracy, ease of use, and durability. Dash cams are a must-have gadget for any driver, providing a clear video record of any incidents that may occur on the road. But what sets our top picks apart from the rest? We'll be discussing the key features, including video quality, field of view, and audio quality. Blind spot detectors are another essential gadget for any road tripper. But what makes a good blind spot detector? We'll be discussing the key features, including accuracy, ease of use, and durability. Lane departure warning systems are another vital gadget for any driver, alerting you to potential dangers on the road. But what sets our top picks apart from the rest? We'll be discussing the key features, including accuracy, sensitivity, and ease of use. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots are perfect for staying connected on the go. But what makes a good portable Wi-Fi hotspot? We'll be discussing the key features, including speed, range, and durability. Emergency kits are essential for any road tripper, providing a vital lifeline in the event of an emergency. But what makes a good emergency kit? We'll be discussing the key features, including contents, durability, and ease of use. When it comes to choosing the right gadgets for your road trip, it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences. We'll be comparing our top picks with similar products on the market, discussing what sets them apart and which offers the best value for road trip safety. For me, personally, having the right gadgets has made all the difference on my own road trips. I'll never forget the time I got lost in the middle of nowhere with no cell signal. If it weren't for my trusty GPS device, I'd still be stuck there today. I've also had my fair share of close calls on the road, but thanks to my dash cam, I've been able to prove my innocence and avoid a costly insurance claim. For others, it's the peace of mind that comes with knowing they're prepared for any situation that may arise. Whether it's a medical emergency or a breakdown on the side of the road, having the right gadgets can make all the difference. In conclusion, the gadgets we've discussed today are essential for any road tripper looking to stay safe on the road. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or embarking on your first road trip, these gadgets will give you peace of mind and provide a vital lifeline in the event of an emergency. If you're interested in learning more about travel gadget reviews, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be discussing the top gadgets for backpackers. And don't forget to share your own thoughts or experiences in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.